Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's session we are going to discuss top 50 multiple choice question and answer on modern marketing in banking industry for your SBI, IBPS, Bank PO and other competitive examination 2021. ओके गाइस, जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने इस वीडियो में इंक्लूड किए हैं वो टॉप 50 एमसीक्यूज हैं फ्रॉम द टॉपिक मॉडर्न मार्केटिंग एंड मार्केटिंग इन बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री। मीन्स ये वो क्वेश्चन है जो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आपके डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए हैं एंड बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है इनके अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन में आने की। ओके गाइस, सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन द सेशन. In this, your first question is modern marketing includes option A publicity on internet, option B advertisement on internet, option C bulk emails, option D telemarketing, and option E all of these. Correct answer of this question is all of these. Okay. Modern marketing includes publicity on internet, yes, advertisement on internet, yes, and bulk emails, yes, telemarketing, also yes. So correct answer of this question is all of these. Option E. Next question. Email is same as blank space. Option A virtual marketing. Option B digital marketing. Option C real time marketing. And option D all of these. Option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option B digital marketing. Okay. E-marketing is same as digital marketing. Next question. Digital marketing is selling option A digital goods, option B calculators, option C through internet, option D all of these, option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option C. Digital marketing is selling through internet. Okay. Digital marketing means for example Amazon, Snapdeals, जहाँ से आप most of the time shopping करते हैं, ये सब digital marketing based websites हैं, applications हैं. किसके थ्रू आप इनसे शॉपिंग करते हैं? थ्रू इंटरनेट. ओके, मीडियम क्या है यहाँ पर? इंटरनेट. ओके गाइस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द मैनेजमेंट एंड एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग यूजिंग डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड चैनल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल वेब, email, digital TV, wireless media, and digital data about users, customer characteristics, and behavior is referred to as option A e-marketing, option B social marketing, option C digital marketing, and option D internet marketing. Okay, correct answer of this question is option C digital marketing. The management and execution of marketing using digital electronic technologies and channels, for example web pages, emails, digital TV, wireless media. Okay, they all are the characteristics and behavior are referred to as digital marketing. Okay guys, next question. Online value proposition should option A be communicated to site visitors and in all marketing communications. Option B be a clear differentiator from online competitors. Option C target market segments that the proposition will appeal to. And option D given financial backups. And option E all of the above. Correct answer of this question is online value proposition should be a clear differentiator from online competitors. Okay, option B is correct here. Next question. Achieving marketing objectives through use of electronic communication technology is blank space. Option A e-marketing, option B e-business, option C internet marketing, option D e-commerce, and option E none of the above. Correct answer of this question is option A e-marketing. Okay. Achieving marketing objectives through use of electronic communication technology is referred to a term and it's called e-marketing. Okay. Next question. Direct online contribution effectiveness is the blank space. Option A reach of audience volumes of a site. Option B proportion of sales influenced by the website. Option C proportion of business turnover achieved by e-commerce transactions. Option D first and third option above, and option E none of the above. Correct answer of this question is option D first and third option above. Okay, Direct online contribution effectiveness is the option first. Reach of audience, volume of a site, this is correct one. And option third means option C is also correct. Direct online contribution effectiveness is the promotion of business turnover achieved by e-commerce transactions. Okay. Next question. Modern marketing excludes option A digital marketing, option B telemarketing, option C door to door marketing, option D email solicitation. Okay, and option E is none of these. Correct answer of this question is option E, none of these. Okay. Modern marketing exclude not to be digital marketing, not to be telemarketing, not to be door to door marketing, and not to be email solicitation. Okay. Correct answer here is option E. Next question. Web marketing involves option A selling web cameras, option B web advertisements, option C email chatting, option D browsing the web, option E door to door canvassing. Correct answer of this question is option B. Web advertisement. Web marketing involves lots of web advertisements. Okay. Next question. Online marketing is mostly useful for marketing of option A saving accounts, option B credit cards, option C home loans, option D NRI deposits, option E business accounts. Correct answer of this question is option C, home loans. Online marketing is mostly useful marketing of home loans. Okay. Next question. The best promotional tool in any marketing is option A pamphlets, option B newsletters, option C word of mouth publicity, option D regional advertisement, option E viral marketing. Correct answer of this question is option C, word of mouth publicity. Okay. The best promotion tool in any marketing is word of mouth publicity. Next question. Internet marketers are using blank space as a form of word of mouth or word of mouse to draw attention to their sites. Option A event marketing, option B subliminal marketing, option C viral marketing, option D place marketing, option E public relations. Correct answer of this question is option C viral marketing. Okay. Internet marketers are using viral marketing as a form of word of mouth or word of mouse to draw attention to their sites. Okay, this is very important question. Next question. The major marketing developments as we enter the new millennium can be summed up in a single theme. Option A innovation, option B the internet, option C virtuality, option D connectedness, option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option D, connectedness. Okay. The major marketing development as we enter the new millennium can be summed up in a single theme is connectedness. Okay. Next question. Today marketing is option A product driven, option B services driven, option C improvement of bottom line means profitability, option D cost conscious, option E customer driven market. Correct answer of this question is option E customer driven market. Today marketing is based on customer driven market. Next question. Modern marketing calls for more than developing a good product, pricing it attractively and making it accessible. Companies must also blank space with present and potential stakeholders and the general public. Option A attract, option B reach, option C related to, option D advertise to, and option E communicate. Correct answer of this question is option E communicate. Okay. Modern marketing calls for more than developing a good product, pricing it attractively, and making it accessible. Companies must also communicate with present and potential stakeholders and the general public. Okay. Next question. In today's changing banking scenario, aggressive promotion of business is necessary where the competition exists on option A branch upkeep, option B expeditious service, option C used of use of advanced digital technology, option D, good customer service, and option E, all of these. Correct answer of this question is option C, use of advanced digital technology. In today's changing banking scenario, aggressive promotion of business is necessary where the competition exists on use of advanced digital technology. Okay. Next question. Bank marketing means option A, selling by banks, option B, buying by banks, option C, mergers of banks, option D, selling banks products and services, and option E, selling products in banks. Don't be confused in this question. Correct answer of this question is option D. Bank marketing means selling banks products and services. Okay. Next question. Marketing is not required in option A, selling credit and debit cards, option B, net banking, option C, corporate loans, option D, retail loans, and option E, all of these. Correct answer of this question is option E, all of these. Marketing is not required in selling credit and debit cards, not required in net banking, not required in corporate loans, and not required in retail loans. Okay. Next question. Marketing of internet banking means option A, meeting of banks on the net, option B, net practice, option C, marketing uses of banking transactions through internet, option D, transactions with foreign banks, option E, all of these. Correct answer of this question is option C. This is pretty simple question. Marketing of internet banking means marketing uses of banking transactions through internet. Okay. Next question. Marketing in banks is option A one-day function, option B, a one-man function, option C, a one-off affair, option D, all of these, option E, none of these. Correct answer of this question is option E, none of these. Marketing is banks in not to be a one-day function, not to be a one-man function, and not to be a one-off affair. Okay, they all are wrong regarding marketing in banks. Okay, so correct answer of this question is option E, none of these. Next question. Target group for marketing internet banking is blank space. Option A, all customers, option B, all literate customers, option C, all computer literate customers, option D, only borrowers, option E, all of these. Correct answer of this question is option C, all computer literate customers. Okay. Target group for marketing internet banking is all computer literate customers. Next question. Digital banking is available through option A, mobile phones, option B, internet, option C, telephones, option D, all of these, option E, none of these. Correct answer of this question is option D, all of these, because digital banking available हो सकता है through mobile phones, through internet, through telephones. It's up to you. It's according to users. User किस तरह digital marketing use करना चाहता है. Okay. So correct answer of this question is option D. Next question. Bank assurance can be sold to option A, banks, option B, insurance companies, option C, insurance agents, option D, bank customers, option E, all of the above. All of the above. Correct answer of this question is option D, bank customers. Bank assurance can be sold to bank customers. Next question. Difference between direct and indirect bank marketing is option A, direct marketing is to bank's employees, indirect is to outsiders. Option B, direct marketing is to outsiders, indirect is to employees. Option C, direct marketing is to bank's owners, indirect is to outsiders. Option D, direct marketing is to other bank's employees, indirect is to outsiders. Option E, none of these. Correct answer of this question is option C. Correct difference between direct and indirect bank marketing is direct marketing is to bank's owners, okay, and indirect is to outsiders. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Next question. Target market for home loans is option A, builders, option B, housing societies, option C, agriculturist, option D, all of these, option E, none of these. Correct answer of this question is option A, builders. Target market for home loan is builders. Okay. Next question. The USP of a credit card is option A cashless operations, option B only for HNIs, option C only for men, option D only for employed persons, option E transactions through checkbook. Correct answer of this question is option A cashless operations. The USP of a credit card is cashless operations. Next question. EMI can be a marketing tool if option A EMI is increasing, option B it's very high, option C it's very low, option D EMI has no impact on marketing, option E EMI is a flat rate. Correct answer of this question is option C. It's very low. Okay, EMI can be a marketing tool if it's very low. Okay, next question. Banks sell insurance for option A increasing deposits, option B increasing loans, option C increasing clients, option D earning more profits, option E taking over insurance companies. Correct answer of this question is option D earning more profits. Bank sell insurance for earning more profits. Okay. Next question. Savings account can be opened by option A all individuals fulfilling KYC norms, option B all taxpayers only, option C all individuals above the age of 18, option D all businessmen only, option E all students below the age of 18. Okay, correct answer of this question is all individuals above the age of 18. Okay, saving accounts can be opened by all individuals above the age of 18. Okay, next question. A short-term loan is repayable within option A 20 years, option B 3 years, option C as per the borrower's wish, option D as per the guarantor's wish, option E there is no need to repay short-term loans. Correct answer of this question is option B 3 years. Okay, a short-term loans is repayable within 3 years. Okay, next question. The purchase of customer information from outside firms and vendors is classified as option A marketing intelligence system, option B marketing information system, option C market development system, option D market record system, and option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option A marketing intelligence system. The purchase of customer information from outside firms and vendors is classified as marketing intelligence system. Next question. The public blogs and customer complaint sites are examples of option A marketing management, option B building marketing records, option C fieldwork, option D marketing intelligence on internet, option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option D marketing intelligence on internet. The public blogs and customer complaint sites are examples of marketing intelligence on internet. Okay, next question. The combo sites for product reviews and expert opinions are classified as option A marketing intelligence on internet, option B fieldwork, option C marketing management, option D building marketing records, option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option A marketing intelligence on internet. The combo sites for product review and expert opinions are classified as marketing intelligence on internet. Next question. The company's order to payment cycle is part of option A internet records, option B external records, option C private records, option D public records, and option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option A internal records. Okay, the company's order to payment cycle is a part of internal records. Next question. Motivating retailers and collection of intelligence by hiring external experts are part of option A market development system, option B market record system, Option C, marketing intelligence system. Option D, market information system. Option E, none of these. Correct answer of this question is option C, marketing intelligence system. Motivating retailers and collection of intelligence by hiring external experts are part of marketing intelligence system. Next question. Internet banking can be popularized by way of option A, reduced prices, option B, higher prices, option C, wide area network, option D, better technology, option E, more ATMs. Correct answer of this question is option E, more ATMs. Okay, internet banking can be popularized by the way of more ATMs. जब से ATMs बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरनेट बैंकिंग कैन बी पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय द वे ऑफ मोर ATMs. जब से ATMs बहुत ज़्यादा हर थोड़ी डिस्टेंस पर आपके लिए अवेलेबल हो गए हैं तब से इंटरनेट बैंकिंग काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The modern marketing concept asserts that marketing starts with the product idea and ends with option A, production of quality product, option B, advertisement campaign, option C, customer satisfaction, option D, sale of the product, option E, exchange of money. Correct answer of this question is customer satisfaction. Okay. The modern marketing concept asserts that marketing starts with the product idea and ends with customer satisfaction. Okay. Next question. Online marketing is mostly useful for marketing of option A, saving accounts, option B, credit cards, option C, home loans, option D, NRI deposits, option E, business accounts. Correct answer of this question is option C, home loans. Okay. Next question. Online marketing is mostly useful for marketing of option A, saving accounts, option B, credit cards, option C, home loans, option D, NRI deposits, option E, business accounts. Correct answer of this question is option C, home loans. Okay. Online marketing is mostly useful for marketing of home loans. Okay. Next question. Digital marketing is similar to option A, online marketing, option B, cold calling, option C, web designing, option D, market forecast, option E, outdoor marketing. Correct answer of this question is option A, online marketing. Digital marketing is similar to online marketing. Okay. Next question. Telemarketing involves option A, good communication skills, option B, high level of motivation, option C, door-to-door campaigns, option D, event manager, and option E, all of these. Correct answer of this question is option A, good communication skills. Telemarketing involves good communication skills for selling the product. Next question. Online marketing is option A, same as face-to-face marketing, option B, easier than traditional marketing, option C, boring as customers are not visible, option D, voluminous task, option E, none of these. Correct answer of this question is option B, easier than traditional marketing. Online marketing is easier than other traditional types of marketing. Okay. Next question. In modern day marketing, the benefits of selling extend to option A, only products and services, option B, only after sales services, option C, lifelong relationship with the buyer, option D, all of the above, option E, none of the above. Correct answer of this question is option A. In modern day marketing, the benefits of selling extend to only products and services. Okay. Next question. Networking makes marketing option A. Option A, very difficult. Option B, very cumbersome. Option C, easy to handle. Option D, has no role in marketing. Option E, none of these. Correct answer of this question is option C, easy to handle. Networking makes marketing easy to handle. Next question. The target group for marketing of internet banking is option A, all customers, option B, all literate customers, option C, all computer literate customers, option D, only borrowers, option E, all of these. Correct answer of this question is option C. The target group of marketing of internet banking is all computer literate customers. Next question. Web marketing involves option A selling web cameras, option B advertisements, option C email chatting, option D borrowing the web, option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is option B advertisements. Next question. The process of discovering patterns in relationship using the available customer data to reveal what customer want and how they act is known as option A data warehousing, option B database, option C data mining, option D data building, option E data matching. Correct answer of this question is option C data mining. The process of discovering patterns in relationship using the available customer data to reveal what customers want and how they act is known as data mining process. Okay. Next question. KYC means option A keep your customer tools, option B keep your credit cards, option C know your credits, option D know your customers, option D none of these. Correct answer of this question is option D. Know your customers. KYC means know your customers. Okay. Next question. E-marketing is the same as option A virtual marketing, option B digital marketing, option C real-time marketing, option D all of these, option E none of these. Correct answer of this question is all of these. E-marketing is the same as virtual marketing, same as digital marketing, and same as real-time marketing. Okay. Next question. Modern method of marketing includes option A publicity on the net, option B advertisement on the net, option C soliciting business through emails, option D both first and second, option E all of the above. Correct answer of this question is option E all of the above. Okay. Modern method of marketing include publicity on the net, yes, advertisement on the net, yes, and soliciting business through emails, yes. Okay. So correct answer of this question is option E all of the above. Next question. What is M marketing? Option A mobile marketing, option B management marketing, option C model marketing, option D modern marketing, option D mind marketing. Correct answer of this question is option A mobile marketing. Okay. M marketing is a new term is arises in marketing and it stands for mobile marketing. Okay guys, now let's wind up the session. See you in the next session. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends. If you want any help in any subject in any competitive examination, kindly let me know in comment section. I will be help you surely. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Till now, see you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.